Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to System Right Arrow Display. This gets you straight to the screen controls. Once there, turn Night Light on so you can change how warm the screen becomes. Make sure to click Night Light Settings now. This is where you set the color temperature and scheduling. Don't pause. Make the initial adjustment to see immediate change, because that helps you judge the warmth level and whether to proceed to the more precise scheduling and calibration steps. You'll now refine the strength and timing. Move the color temperature slider toward warmer values until the screen feels comfortable. You're aiming for less blue light in evenings. Next, pick a schedule, either sunset to sunrise for automatic local timing, or enter fixed hours like 21:0007:00 if you work nights. Also, make sure to reduce overall brightness or enable automatic brightness when available, because warmth plus lower luminance reduces eye strain more effectively than either change. Finish by testing your settings across an evening session. Toggle Night Light from Action Center, Win+A, to confirm quick control, then live with your chosen warmth for a night or two and tweak as needed. Make sure the schedule activates at the right time. If it doesn't, check system time and region. If the night light option is missing or behaves oddly, update your display driver and run Windows Update. Often a driver refresh fixes detection and restores the feature without further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.